What's in the box? Let's find out. Greetings everyone, Eric here, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be opening this thing up. I just got this today. This is a new little fun toy, so let's get it open. Done with the knife. All right. Ooh, I don't know if you guys can see from there. Probably not that great, but it's a nice big box. You could probably kind of see what it is from there. It is Abunda, the Artist 15.6 Pro. This is XP Pen's Artist 16.6 Pro. I've been wanting this tablet for a while, ever since I saw them pretty much post it. I contacted them to see if they would send me one. They couldn't send me one because their review window of when they send it out to reviewers ended, which I completely understand. But thankfully they were able to give me a discount code, so I was able to pick one up for a little bit of a discount. So thank you to XP Pen for doing that for me. Obviously, this is not a sponsor review, so you guys are going to get my raw input on how this thing is. So this was just a quick little showing you unboxing this. We'll take this thing out of this box, show you the little innards, and then basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this tablet for a little while, and then I'll show you some footage of me using it and blah, 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 all that kind of crap. Let's just get to the cool stuff. Okay, so we got the box here. If you're wondering what this is actually the cabinet for my my amplifier for my guitar and all. So it makes a nice little handy desk when I need it. But anyway, I love the box. This is really awesome. The design looks really cool. I mean, it's basically the design they use for if you look on the. Oh, that's interesting. Like when I feel here and all this area around here, it feels a lot smoother. But the moment you go over here, this has got more texture to it, weirdly enough, the part where the tablet part is. So it might be a more glossy finish. Let's see. Yeah, look, you can see the reflection of that light over there, which, is it that light? I can't tell what light is. Oh, that's the light above. So yeah, this is more glossy than this stuff here. So that's interesting. Okay, let's see if I can get it out of the sleeve. This is just a sleeve, which is nice. All right, get you out the way. Here is the actual box. It opens from this side. Let me turn it around. It also has a little handle, so you can actually kind of carry this thing around if you needed to. But let's see what's inside. Ooh, foam. Oh, it's got a little fan pointing. Oh, and then right as it... Okay, I don't feel any static. And then right away, you see the tablet. Wow. Oh. Ooh, she looks pretty. Ooh, what's this? Little cartoon character. That's cool. I'm guessing this is how you pull this out, or do you just kind of live? Woohoo! Oh yeah, that comes out. Whoa, that's got no way. Oh, hi, and look, camera, and look, bright freaking light. Oh, that looks nice. It's super light too. Oh, you can see right there. That's the USB-C Type-C connector. That's the only connector. It goes from that out and splits off at the end. You get a couple buttons here, which is really nice. Oh, there's your power button. Obviously, on this side, you have all your shortcut keys, which they don't have a super tactile feel where you hear a click, but they do feel nice. Ooh, and there's a wheel. I'm guessing that. Oh, that is not a button unless it's a pressure plate. We'll figure with that in a bit. Let's see what else this thing comes with. Ooh, it actually comes with a stand. I like that. There we go. That's it's not a bad stand, really. Oh, okay, this must be the... Is this the bottom? Oh no, this is what the tablet sits on, and then... How does this come off? Does it go that way, or does it go Oh, okay, it snaps. Okay, so that seems to be the angle that they give you is... I guess it's about a 45. That's probably more than enough. Okay, it's got plastic connectors right there that you can see that they kind of snap in right there. So that's nice. It's got little rubber feet on it, which is cool. And then you got this stuff, which is all rubber. And then the name XP Pen. So that'll be cool to see how that handles some actual use. Let me get some stuff out of the way. What's next? Let's start with this side. This is... Ooh, this is the pen holder. Ooh, that is nice. This little cylindrical thing for the pen holder. That's actually kind of cool. I like that. What's on the bottom? Oh, that's how the pen comes out? Oh, that's cool. So you can take the pen out like that, and then, yeah, I guess you could actually put that on your desk like that and just bloop, put the pen in. That is really cool. Wow. Man, this pen is like, feels like nothing. I don't think, yeah, this is a battery-free type pen. Oh, the buttons feel nice. Ooh, that feels really good in the hand. Like, first impression, that feels really good in the hand. So let's put that back in there. Screw that back on. And then this, oh, this side has your nibs. It says 8 nibs. Let me get this, like, hey, get that plastic off. Get over there. And let me guess, these are your, yep, there's your nibs. That is cool. I like this. This is like overdone, but it's cool. I like it. Okay, so that's that. And then you have your wall charger stuff. Oh, and that's cool. All these are different types of adapters, so wherever you live, you should be able to use any of these adapters to plug it into your wall. Obviously, I'm in the States, so all I need is this. So this is your power supply. This is how you power that thing. So let's just keep that right there for a moment. You have a box of goodies. Let me guess, there's probably a CD in here. Whoa, there's some stuff in here. Oh, there's no CD. Okay, ooh, little wiping cloth, microfiber. That's always welcome. Here's where you download your drivers from, so that's really handy. Also, look at the little cartoon character. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, cool. You have your warranty card stuff. Oh, okay, so this is your warranty. Okay, cool, so warranty card. Then we have a thank you. So that's cool. Nice little thank you thing with a bunch of information. Hey, look, another glove, because I don't have a bunch of these around. Yay. And ooh, here we go. Here is the quick guide, which gives you all the information on how to connect it to the computer. And multiple languages, which is very handy for people of all the world. Oh, and there you can see the Quick Connect guide, so you can connect it through the 3 connectors. So that's pretty interesting. And it looks like there's 2 ways. So you can either plug the USB cable into the first and then connect the HDMI and USB cable, black and red, into your computer, or you can plug that into the wall if you're, so that's if your computer doesn't output enough power to power the device, then you can plug it into the wall. So that's really handy. And that's all in this box. So that's really, 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 really cool. And then this must be the 3-in-1 connector, I would assume. Yes, this is your, these are your connectors. So this is an extension cable, which is really nice. That's very handy. I'm glad they include that. I will take use of that. And then here's your 3-in-1 cable. So that right there, here, let me take this out. So that's what you connect to the tablet. It's a USB Type-C connector, which is really nice. This red one, USB, this is your power, which you can either plug into your computer if it gives you enough power. I think USB like 3.0 can give a good amount of power. Or you can easily just kind of plug it into this easily. And then you just plug that into the wall or into a brick somewhere or like a power extender. So, whew, that's a snug fit, which is nice. This one goes to the computer. And this also goes to the computer. This is your HDMI. So that's really, really handy. So yeah, that's cool. And they even give you, they give you is this like a mini? It's white, so I'm guessing this is for Apple. Okay, so yeah, this is for going from that, to go into like the smaller USB type. So that's really cool. If you need one of those, that's really, really handy. But yeah, that's all the things in the box. I actually think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna upload this as part 1. So this will be a 2-part series. So this will be the unboxing video, obviously, because I just unboxed everything. Oh, wait, I know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see me take this apart, don't you? All right. Before we end part 1, I will undo all this. Wow, that is some adhesive. Holy crap. There's like, oh, yeah, the sides. Okay. Ooh, oh, that's satisfying. Oh, get it now. Oh, so good, so nice. Okay, let's do this as well. Oh, so satisfying. I know some people really like the sound of this. Okay, now I should be able to undo that way. So, yeah. Oh, look at how blue this fur is. It's sticking to my hand. That's a good thing. I'm not getting this back. Oh, that was good. Oh, look at that. All right, now let's pick it up and da-da-da-da. Look at her. Oh, she's so nice. Yeah. Oh, you can hear. You can hear that. That's got a nice, satisfying feel to it. Oh, these are better than I thought. These are actually nice and clicky. Oh, it's still got the screen protector. Peel off this mask before application. Anti-glare film is inside. All right. Well, you heard them. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, I can feel the static. I can feel the static. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But yeah, that's really nice. Oh. How did I already get crap on this freaking screen? Whatever. Oh, I've already got gunk on it. Oh, it's so nice. So yeah. Let me put this back over here. So like I said, part 1 of 2 parts. So what we're going to do... Oh, I can still feel the static. I don't want to touch anything. What we're going to do is I'm going to use this tablet for probably a week or 2. Yeah, probably a week or 2. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to then do another review, like an actual review where I go, here's all the features and blah, 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 blah. So that'll be in part 2. So look forward to that in probably a few weeks because I want to give this tablet a lot of time to use. I also have some projects to use and I'm talking with my hands because I'm not on camera. So anyway, thank you for watching. Like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the things. Leave a comment below on anything you would like to see me do next, especially any type of drawing you would like to see me do and all that other lovely crap. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.